In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change author name in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever shared a PDF and noticed the wrong name showing up in its details, that's controlled by the document's metadata. Updating the author field helps keep your files professional, searchable, and correctly attributed, especially when colleagues or clients view the document's properties on different systems. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are using the Pro DC version, not the free reader, because you'll need access to the full document properties to make this change. Once your file is open, head to the File menu at the top left and choose Properties. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+D on Windows to jump there directly. In the Document Properties window, you'll land on the Description tab. This is where key metadata lives, like title, subject, keywords, and author. Look for the author field and click inside it. Now, type the correct name you want associated with this PDF. This is the name that operating systems, search tools, and document management systems may display. So enter it exactly as you want it to appear. If T here is already a name there, simply replace it. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end and be consistent with capitalization if that matters in your organization. When you are happy with the change, click OK to close the window. That updates the information within the document, but it isn't permanently applied until you save the file. To lock in the update, press Ctrl+S or go back to the File menu and choose Save. If you are working on an important document, it's a good practice to save once right after making the change and if needed, again when you finish any other edits. A quick tip: if you want to confirm everything worked, you can reopen the Properties window with Ctrl+D and check the author field again. If the field appears grayed out or you can't edit it, the PDF might be secured or opened from a read-only location. In that case, make sure you have permission to modify the file or work from a writable copy. Also remember, changing the author field updates the document's metadata. It won't alter any visible text or signatures inside the pages themselves. That's it. Thanks for watching.